Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Experience the pinnacle of luxury in Mandeville with this stunning 6 bedroom, 7 bathroom residence where classic architecture and a porte cochère exude sophistication and elegance. The porte cochère ensures a grand and stylish arrival, perfectly setting the tone for the opulent lifestyle this home offers. Graceful columns frame the entrance, leading to a spacious foyer that welcomes you with a sweeping mahogany staircase. The home features an expansive living space, a gourmet kitchen, and generously sized bedrooms, including the primary suite, all with ensuite bathrooms. Spanning approximately 6,500 square feet. This meticulously maintained home sits on a substantial piece of land, covering around one-third of an acre. For those seeking an income generating opportunity, this property also provides that option. One of the standout features is the breathtaking view overlooking the picturesque surroundings of Mandeville. There is so much more to say about this remarkable property, but it's best experienced in person. Schedule your viewing appointment today and see for yourself. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million, US 443.6 thousand, Canadian 635,000, Euro 407.5 thousand, or 344.8 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.